Hello, people. Today we're talking about a financial crisis. We are talking about the great gaming inflation bubble of 2025. Or as I call it, why Bart can't have a new computer. You see, folks, usually I tell you to invest in things you understand. But today we have to talk about tech stocks, hardware, and the supply chain. Now, imagine you want to build a dream PC, a supercomputer, one capable of running Call of Duty and Excel spreadsheets at the same time. In the old days, you just go to the store and buy the parts. But right now, building a high-end PC is a financial nightmare, according to the nerds. I mean, the market analysts. A standard PlayStation 5, a whole machine that plays games now costs less than just one little stick of memory for a computer. That's right. A 64 gigabyte DDR5 RAM kit, which sounds like a robot sneeze, costs about $600. That's $600 for a little green chip. So, here is financial lesson number 1. Opportunity cost. The market is telling us that right now, PCs are the luxury item and consoles are the smart, budget-friendly choice. But why, Homer? Why are the prices going up faster than my blood pressure at a parent-teacher conference? 2 letters, my friends. AI. Artificial intelligence. The robots! They aren't just coming for our jobs, they're coming for our memory chips. You see, big companies are building these giant data centers. Think of a data center like the nuclear power plant, but instead of making glowing green rods, they make the internet think, these AI robots are hungry. They have an insatiable appetite for DRAM, SSDs, and HDDs. Because the AI servers need all the chips, there are fewer chips left for you, me, and Bart. And when things are rare, they get expensive. That is the law of supply and demand. If you are a PC gamer, you are in what we financial experts call the danger zone. A DDR5 kit costs 3 times what it did last year. 3 times! If you try to build a computer now, you're gonna need a loan from the mafia. Here is financial lesson number 2, the hold strategy. In the stock market, sometimes the best move is to do nothing. Just sit on the couch. I'm very good at this strategy. If you have a decent computer now, maybe one with 32 gigabytes of RAM, hold! Hold like you're holding the last slice of pizza. The analysts say 2026 might be even worse because the supply chains are slower than the line at the DMV. It takes time to build factories to make more chips. Now let's talk about the console peasant. Console investor. If you have a PlayStation or an Xbox, you might think you are safe. Homer, I don't need RAM sticks, you say. Well, don't get too cocky. These high prices hurt everyone. Sony and Microsoft have to buy these chips too. Their bill of materials, that's fancy talk for the grocery list of parts, is getting more expensive. This means we probably won't see price cuts on consoles anytime soon. And if they release a pro version, it's gonna cost big bucks. And let's not forget the scalpers. Scalpers are the people who buy all the toys and sell them for double the price. They are the lowest of the low. They are worse than the guy who invented diet soda. Oh, what is the bottom line here? What is the Homer Simpson golden nugget of wisdom? Don't panic buy. If your computer works, keep using it. Let the rich guys and the robots fight over the expensive chips. Look for deals. Put the parts you want on a wish list. Wait for a sale. Be a hunter. Stalk that discount like a cat stalks a laser pointer. Savings are king. But remember, stocks go up, stocks go down. If you liked this advice, leave a comment below. Tell me what you want me to explain next.